Okay, so I will demo again how do you do UV mapping on this assignment. Okay, so first one, let's do the jar first. Okay, so for the jar, first thing you want to cut the bottom, okay, the bottom surface and the top surface. Okay, you might thinking that, oh, I can just cut over here and then, okay, let me cut, and then after that select this one and then just unfold. Okay, you can do it like this, but you see the distortion inside over here. Okay, so you can see the red part. Okay, got distortion. So what we need to do is, okay, we can, okay, select these edges, cut again, and then select both and then unfold again. So when we check the distortion, you can see, okay, now still got distortion because, okay, if we really want to fix it, we need to cut one more line over here. Okay, so unfold again, you can see it's all white. Okay, but even if you didn't, if you just cut the top surface and then you unfold like this, if you didn't put any words or any specific patterns, right, it's still acceptable. Okay, so go back to this. Okay, if you put it like this, the UV still fine because you didn't need to put anything inside here, just a blank like a flat color, right? Okay, so this is the top part, and then the other one is this one, bottom. Okay, you can select the UV shell. Okay, go to UV prana y-axis and then prana. Okay, so now you can see the prana is red color, right? So what we need to do is go to transform and then flip it. Okay, select it and then flip, just like this. Okay, so now, okay, the handle part, you can just double click on the loop over here and then just cut it. Okay, and then you can cut the line in between, like over here. Okay, cut the line. Okay, until here. Okay, so after you cut it like this, you can select the UV shell and then just unfold. Okay, if you guys, when you unfold, right, if you found out your unfold doesn't look the same as mine, okay, you need to check with your unfold setting. So what you can do is you hold shift and then click the unfold and then see if there is a method. Okay, you can choose over like legacy and unfold 3D. If you doesn't have this method, means that you're using legacy. So what you need to do now is, okay, go to window, setting preference, plugin manager, and then go search for unfold. Okay, make sure the unfold 3D is loaded, auto load as well. Okay, so next time when you open Maya, you're also using the unfold 3D. Okay, so now we left this, okay, the surface over here, so we can just cut it half. Okay, you can select the edge over here. Okay, make sure you need to select all the line connected together. Okay, if you leave like maybe like this edge, you leave it there, right, when you unfold you got a lot of issue. Okay, so select until here. Okay, make sure you select until the end. Okay, cut it and then just unfold along you. Okay, because we just want to unfold the horizontal direction. Okay, so now we done with the jar, so we can just put aside. Okay, so the cloth, okay, the cloth is a very easy one, so you can just double click. Okay, maybe this one you can press 1 first because it's hard to select when you are in tree. Okay, so you can just select the edge like this, double click. Okay, you will select until the end. Okay, so make sure you have selected all edges. So now you can cut. can cut, and then you can select the UV shell and then unfold. Okay, same thing with the other UV shell over here. Okay, and then you can go to arrange and layout, and then orange shell. Okay, so this is for the cloth. Okay, put it aside. Okay, so this one done. Okay, orange. Okay, so orange and grapes are actually the same because when I create this two model, right, I just use a cube. Okay, I actually just use a cube, and then I just move it twice, and then I press 3, then I'll get this shape. Okay, so when you take a look on the default cube cut line, right, you can see it's selecting this one, okay, until here. Okay, so what we need to do on the orange and the grapes UV, right, is actually the same. Okay, you saw all these square line, right, the edges. So you just need to select 3 of the edge, and then this one I deselect. Okay, and then now you go down. Okay, expand to the another edges. Okay, edges, then here also another one. Okay, continue to another edge, and then on here you can just leave it. Oh, you don't need to cut any edges anymore, so just cut it and then go to UV shell, select, unfold. So you will have this T UV shell. Okay, some people will have the cross. Okay, it's the same thing. Okay, so it's the same with the grapes. Okay, so okay, what's left? Okay, the table. Okay, so for the table, first thing you need to prana first, and then what I will do is I will just cut the edge over here. Okay, cut the edge over here, cut, and then select the shell, unfold. Okay, so this is the surface, and then on the edge, on the corner, I will just cut the line over here. Okay, on 4 corner, all cut a line. Okay, cut a line. Okay, so all you can unfold. Okay, so this happened because you can see when I do the table I was prana Y, right? So all of this UV shell, the projection can't calculate. So what I need to do is I select one of the shell. Okay, go to prana and then select X or Z. Okay, apply. Okay, so do the same thing for the rest. You can just select another shell and then press G. Okay, G is to repeat the step before. Okay, so now we have all this, then we can unfold again, so you get all of this UV shell, and then just arrange it. Okay, this one you can just put it like this. Okay, so now the table done. Okay, so now we left the stem. Okay, the branch. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to separate out the branch, the extra branch, so we can see the main branch is this one, right? Okay, this one until here. Okay, this is the one. So all of this extra branch, you just need to cut it out. Okay, just select the loop and then cut it out. Okay, let's say I already cut it out. So all of this branch, right, you just need to cut it half. Okay, so just select H until the end. So until the end. Okay, on here. So after that, just cut and then select the shell, unfold. so you have this kind of UV shell already. Okay, so just do the rest, do the sending to the rest. Okay, for the head here, you just need to select the edge inside. Okay, cut it and then try to unfold, and then it should be here. Yeah, that's the head. Okay, so the rest is the same process. Okay, and also, okay, the orange head I forgot to mention. So this one you can just cut it half, because the surface is facing up and then the other one is down, right? So you can just cut it half, then cut it, select the UV shell. Okay, you can just select both, unfold. Okay, so this is the UV, and then what you need to do is you need to cut the faces inside. Okay, because okay, it's impossible for you to make the paper cut like this. Okay, for the circle inside, so just need to cut a line over here. Okay, select the UV shell, unfold again like this. Okay, so if you have this problem, right, okay, this is because we are using tree. Okay, we are using smooth on the model, so sometimes if you got this overlap issue, I think you can just drag the UV dot, the UV point like this, or you can just leave it there because this area is not like very visible. It's not like taking a lot of ratio of the final result. Okay, so for this one it's very easy. It's just a cylinder. Can cut the line over here, then make it half. Okay, the circle. So just select both, unfold. Okay, so this is the result. Okay, so this is how you unfold. Okay, do UV mapping on all of these object in A2.